Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how to fix Ingress Timeout Steam ID error on Instagram. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So this kind of error occurs if you have posted some content that is against the community guideline. So in order to fix it, there are several methods which you can give it a try. In order to fix this kind of error, first of all, what you can do is delete the application and then reinstall it again and log into your account. If you're still unable to fix it, then the other thing you can do is you can log in from your web browser, either your Google Chrome or your Safari. If you're able to log into your account, and if you're able to log in, you'll be able to see a notification stating that the content you have posted is a flagged content. So first of all, try deleting it, and if you're unable to delete it, then you need to log out of your account and then click cache and your data, and then you'll need to wait for at least 3 to 5 days. And if you haven't posted any content that is against the community guidelines, then what you can do is just simply log into your account, or you can submit a report. So for that, you need to log into your Instagram account, and in case you're not able to log in, then what you can do is you can head towards your support center on Instagram, that is www.instagram.support.com, and after that you'll need to type in your username, and then you need to submit a request stating that the account has been disabled, giving them a valid reason why your account should not be disabled. Usually Instagram will take 24 hours to respond, so you need to wait until 24 hours and then they'll look into your matter. So if you're still unable to fix it, then you can simply wait for 3 days, and after 3 days you'll be able to recover your account. So those are the method on how you can fix Ingress Timeout on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.